Here we go then, this is what I've come up with for the stool storage. I've used the last bits of oak I've got, a couple of nice hooks. And I've got these, it's webbing strap, it comes on a 5 metre roll of it. I've got it from B&Q, I think it's 25mm. And then the quick release buckles, also from B&Q, pack of 2 to fit them. The strap, it just runs all the way up behind the batten and comes out again, so the screws hold it so it's not going to come out. But I think I'm going to have to get something just protect the wall a little bit when I'm putting them on, because yeah, I've scuffed the wallpaper already with that, so maybe 2mm plexiglass sheet just on there. But this is how they work anyway. So obviously we're only going to use them when we're eating at the breakfast bar. Which way was it? Was it that way around? It goes like that. And then this one, where did this one go? That goes in there. And what was it? It's not right. That's it. Yeah, they're both facing you, aren't they? Yeah, these are from IKEA stools. I think they're called Franklin or something, whatever. And the straps will just keep them, it'll stop them rocking and rattling when the boat's underway. So yeah, I think that works all right, doesn't it? That did. I've got me all sorts going off today. So this is the plexiglass. I've just took the protective cover off, and this is the beading that we're using on the inside of it just to hold it in place. It's just glued along one edge. And it's a hardwood and a softwood, so if I do need to separate that, you'll probably just be able to lever that up, and any damage will go onto the softwood if ever I had to replace the plexiglass, but I'm hoping not to. What else we've got going on? This is the solar panel for the EcoFlow. I'm just going to get a curtain wire and it will just stop that tipping forward, but that can just live there because that is going to be behind the sofa. Yeah, the sofa is coming on Thursday. Yeah, I've got a van on Thursday. I've got to take some furniture to my daughter's, and then the sofa bed's coming here along with a rug. We've got a big rug, we've got some custom sized runners, one to fit through this small gap and one to go along the kitchen, matching to help the dog. Yeah, we're starting to get everything loaded up now, isn't it? So yeah, I'm gonna have I need to have a really good clean down now and get rid of some of these tools, but I'm just finishing off the last couple of jobs. Fire extinguishers. Now then, there were 3 1 kilo extinguishers on the boat. This is 2 of them. And although they are in the green, but yeah, I'm pretty sure the date on them, they're more or less 5 years old. So that one's got the wall mount to it, so I think I'm just going to keep that one down in the engine room, but the other ones that can go in the bin. So I bought 2 kilo extinguishers and 2 1 kilo, so we've got 4 altogether. So we've got one of the 2 kilos down there, we're having one down by the fireplace. We've got this little boy here, which we're going to mount there, as opposed to there, because you can't reach across worktops to grab a fire extinguisher. VSS fail, apparently, so it's not worth the risk, is it? So we'll just go there with that one. And the other last one will go either in the bathroom or the bedroom. Now you've got to remember that fire extinguishers, they are not for fighting fires. The principle being that the fire extinguisher helps you get to an exit, and then you leave the firefighting to other people. Hopefully we never have to use them. I'd be quite happy to waste what I've paid for them in 5 years' time if I've never used them, and we'll just get some more. So yeah, we've done a lot of work. We don't want to see it go up in smoke, do we? So right, let's have a clean up. And I've got a long night tonight. I've got to hands and knees scrub this floor. So I'll see you before I go home tonight. Yes, it's 10 to midnight. I've not even had my tea yet. I've got bloody McDonald's or something on the way home. I don't know. But yeah, it's taken me 4 hours to do the floor, but it has come up superb. I'll show you what I used. It was the HG laminate floor cleaner. This piece of boxing has still got to go back in. It's got to be screwed down, and the end piece, the one that's scribed for the curve of the bow, that's got to be screwed down, and the actual light has got to go in it. So that's another thing we can do. It's still got lots to do, but it's all stuff that we can do once we're living here. Do you know what I mean? There's nothing that's preventing us. Oh, I thought you had a whistling then. Right, so where are we at? Yeah, floor. Right, lovely, lovely. Oh, not the lights out. I'm over the moon with that. Yeah, I think when they're painted up as well, we've got new locks going on there as well. That's gone well smart, but yeah, really happy with that. But yeah, in 2 days' time, we've got the main rug of the room, and the sofa bed is coming. So that's why I needed to get the floor done today, really. Like I said earlier, I'm away tomorrow delivering furniture, so it needs to be done before that carpet goes down and the sofa goes in. The stools, I was thinking about this as I've been working today. When I get home in a bit, I'm going to have to go back online. I'm going to order some more plexiglass, like I got for the duck hatch, and I've got one for the TV as well. So I'm going to get another pet plexiglass. I'm going to put a piece here where I've marked it, and a piece here as well. You can get them with rounded corners, and you can get with screw holes, which is fine. It'll just screw straight to the wall, and it'll just protect the paint a little bit. But yeah, we've still got lots and lots to do, but it's stuff that we can do while we're living here. So what's going to be the next one? Well, I'm going to be busy for the next few days, but once we're in, then next week, it's time to lift up the engine plate. You've not even seen the engine yet. I've got 4 new leisure batteries to go in there. I've got to get a starter battery yet. It all needs painting in there. We've got to sort out all the holes in the body. Yeah, there's still loads to do, but living on it, we're on full time now, aren't we? So yeah, it's been a big push last month. Well, the last 2 weeks definitely. I'm knackered, I am. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Ta-da!